Hey y'all, my name, oh I hope I don't look too washed out. Let me back it up. My name's Allison, but everybody calls me Allie. Welcome back to the gym. Stupid, feeling goofy. I'm looking for something right now. Okay y'all, I found what I needed. What are we doing? I'm going to Florida in, today's Monday, I leave on Friday. So basically it's maintenance week. So my hair is in this braid. This is not looking like nothing because I'm gonna be re-dyeing it black. I am about to leave for my wax appointment. It's been a while. I usually been doing it myself, but I can't do everywhere myself. If you know, you know. And then tomorrow I have my toe appointment, my nail appointment, and my eyebrow appointment. I kind of want to go get my eyebrows done today, but I have makeup on already, so I'm not gonna go get them done today. But I'm gonna take you guys along with me for that, and yeah, I literally got to go. So I'm gonna see you guys either in my car or at the wax place. I don't know if I'm gonna film during it, but yeah. Best vlogger ever, right, y'all? It's literally a whole nother day, and I'm going to get my toes done. I'm not gonna show them to you. They look nasty. I'm gonna just do press-ons for my nails. But today's a fun day. I'm gonna read you guys what we're getting done. I kind of talked myself out of getting my eyebrows done because I low-key want to let them grow so that they can be even better when I get them threaded in the future. So I'm gonna get my nails done, and then I think I'm gonna dye my hair today. As you can see, I'm just rocking. What the fuck? Yeah, y'all. I don't be doing maintenance vlogs because literally, like, I don't know. I feel weird. But yeah, y'all, on the way to go get these toes done. I'm probably gonna film on my phone for the rest of this. But yeah, I'll probably see you guys. Next clip will be me in the nail salon, and the next clip is probably gonna be me back at home. Isn't my outfit cute today? Don't mind the purse, it doesn't match. Hair pastel, and then the headband matches. Cute. Okay. See y'all in a bit. Toesies is done. I'm gonna mix this dye real quick. This is what we're working. Look at it, y'all. I should probably put on some clothes before I do this. Demi permanent dye. Try to unwash hair. I don't think this is gonna be enough on the first go around, so. Alright. Also bought gloves. How did I look? So good at losing stuff. 10 to 15 at room temperature and 10 to 15 with heat.
Easier to understand. See? Shorter.
I am tired. "30 minutes later." Bad bitch alert. Doing these are press-ons.